Hi, I am Megha Kotecha, Chartered Accountant with over a decade of experience. One question that I'm often asked is Tally is such a good software, even Excel handles automation. Then why Zoho Books? Today, I'm taking this video to explain what Zoho Books is and why it is becoming important for professionals, business owners, and why learning it early gives a strong career advantage. ZohoBooks is a cloud based accounting platform designed for businesses, accountants, and finance professionals. It goes beyond basic accounting and focuses on real time data, collaboration, automation, and reporting. Why ZohoBooks? Work from anywhere. Truly cloud based. Since ZohoBooks is a cloud based, you can work from anywhere, anytime. For CAs, accountants, freelancers, and teams, this enables flexible work, remote access, and continuity without dependency on one system or location. Easy to learn and use. You don't need to worry too much about complex debit credit structures. Staff, articles, business owners can understand and start using it within few hours, making training and adoption very smooth. Seamless customer and vendor communication. Zoho Books provide customer and vendor portals. Customers and vendors can download invoices, view ledgers, access statements on their own. This reduces follow ups, emails, and manual sharing. Automation and customization. Zoho Books allows workflow automation, custom fields, business specific configurations. The platform can be tailored based on the nature and scale of business, which is not easily possible in traditional systems. Strong and customized reporting. One of the biggest strengths of Zoho Books is reports. Reports can be customized as per business needs, automatically scheduled, sent via email to owners or concerned team members. This supports timely decisions, cash flow monitoring, and control. Why this matters today? We are in a phase where information is expected instantly. Business owners today do not just expect professionals to file returns or maintain books, but they expect insights on daily business performance, cash flow position, growth direction. Zoho Books enables professionals to deliver services beyond compliance. How Zoho Books helps in career and gives professional advantage. Many businesses today are shifting to cloud based platforms like Zoho. A person certified or trained in Zoho Books definitely has an edge. It is no longer just an additional skill, but it is becoming a necessary skill. Zoho Books is used not only in India, but also in Gulf countries, African countries, and other global markets. Having Zoho Books expertise can open doors to overseas opportunities as well. So, in nutshell, in the world of AI and automation, it is important for us to upgrade our skills and platforms. Zoho Books helps us do exactly that. Work smarter, add more value, and stay future ready.